You might think that it's going to take hours for you to get your life insurance policy, but once you have a couple of tricks up your sleeves that I'm going to share right now, it's pretty easy. It takes about 10, 15 minutes if you really want to push it. So first of all, how much coverage do you need? You need between 3 and 6 times your annual income. That's the rough rule of thumb for how much life insurance coverage you need. I would advise that you go towards the higher end in case you have kids, and towards your lower end if it's just for, say, a mortgage or maybe protecting your partner's lifestyle. The next component of your contract that you need to figure out is how long it's going to last. And generally, you want to take whatever is the latest date between finishing off the payment of your mortgage or your youngest kid graduating from college. This will ensure that you can pay up for all of your financial responsibilities, regardless of whether or not something happens to you. Either you keep working and you pay off all your debts, or something happens to you and your life insurance policy covers all of the necessary expenses. And then just a couple of things that I want you to know, and I want you to confirm with your life insurance company whether or not it's going to be Feather, is first of all, do you need a medical exam for a policy that's worth less than 500K? I would advise that you ask what's in it for me, because most of the time it can only negatively impact your premiums and very rarely improve them. So in case you're getting a policy worth 500K or less and they ask for a medical exam, maybe look at another provider. That's something I would suggest to you. Then the other thing that I want you to double check is whether or not the life insurance contract is flexible. Ask the support team, can you shorten the contract in case that's something you want to do? Can you adjust the payout amount if that's also something that you want to do? That's a question that you need to be asking your insurance company, and you need to understand whether or not they're flexible with those contract terms. If they're not, maybe look into an alternative.